southbound Goblers Knob on the haul road. We heard earlier guys were spinning out on it, having to chain up halfway up. We're going to find out. I got a guy in front of me. I kind of held back, let him go. He's a little heavier than me. I don't want to catch him halfway up. But we'll see. We'll see how the knob is tonight. Hopefully don't get halfway up it and have to chain up. That would suck. Well, we'll either be a hero or a zero. Like I said, it's bare up there, at least for a while, on our side. Like I said, we've heard that guys were spinning out about an hour ago. A driver told us that. Oversized loads just came down and said that it was fine. So, I don't know. We'll see. Those guys that spun out may have been empty if they were southbound. Wait for those oversized loads to come down, so the tires have cooled off a little bit. This got wet and slushy earlier today, and now it's down to 20 degrees, so it's going to freeze back up. Bottom of the hill instead of having to kick on right knob. Better than we thought, man. That's good, that's good. We're gonna get to Coldfoot and go to bed. It's been a long day. It's almost 10 o'clock. We started at 7 something this morning. We got about 40 miles to Coldfoot. Oh, these infernal bumps. Stage Jake, turn off traction control, and then we drop off the knob. Getting those lights, I'm about to come up on David up here. Down the knob we go. You see, it just goes to show, most of the time these guys will give you accurate information. And I'm not saying that there wasn't guys spinning out earlier, but I bet you they were going southbound and they were empty. With the way that guy was talking, man, it was dogs and cats living together in sin up here. We had a nice layer of snow on top of the ice to help us out. It's a little squirrely right here. Second stage Jake. You don't want to go full Jake on snow-packed roads, but that's the second stage you can do. You still got to keep your wits about you, but you know, second stage Jake, turn your cross locks off, turn your traction control off. You don't want power going to that back axle while you're trying to hold yourself back. Trailer does try to get a little squirrel on you back there, you just kind of tap your trailer brake a little bit. That'll straighten her out. Not hard, just kind of hit it a little bit. Sunset. That's gorgeous. The road was a muddy mess further south where it got a bit warmer during the day. Lights, that big pump house down there along the pipeline. Well, that was pretty uneventful. simple, but that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. No problems. We're off the knob. Goblers knob. Dodge some of these bumps. There's some ice patches under here. Steadily worse as it warms up more and more. What that was, I tried to straddle it, but didn't damage anything. Potholes in it as well, so it's not much better than the gravel. A bit cleaner. You can see there's holes in it. Beat you to death in the summertime, especially in the gravel parts. Anyway, that's Gobbler's Knob. Like I said, we heard it was going to be bad, but got right up it. A little slick at the top, but not too bad. We're going to get on up here to Coldfoot, go to bed, take a break, get up in the morning, go on up to the Arctic. We're north of the Arctic Circle now, going up to Prudhoe Bay and get parked up and ready to start doing our drops Thursday. Miles an hour. In the summertime, it may take you 15 hours to go 400 miles. It gets so bad. David up in front of me, that truck he's got a longer wheelbase, rides a little better. My truck, it's got a shorter wheelbase because I not only run the haul road, I also run the Alaska Highway down into Canada. And you got to be careful how long your wheelbase is in Canada. So my truck's got to be a little more all-purpose. Does a good job on the haul road though. I have no complaints. Like I said, it rides a bit rougher than the haul road trucks, so guys that just run the haul road. Does all right. anyway, that's it for now. I appreciate a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching.